So this time change thing doesn't really work for me. I noticed that it just throws everything off. Last night I ended up falling asleep like 5 o'clock, and then I woke up. I was kind of awake for a while and I stayed up a little too late, and then I went to bed, and this morning, I woke up way too early, and then it's like you're an hour ahead of everything, like what you're supposed to do. Now I know I'm gonna fall asleep at like 5 o'clock again tonight. It's just so irritating, it just throws everything off. Whoever invented that, I don't appreciate you. And then to top it all off, I ended up having a headache. I woke up in the morning and I could tell that my eyes were dry. Last night, for anyone that has contacts, you should pull off your contacts when your eyes are wet. And sometimes I'm too lazy and just rip them out of my eyeballs. It's not good. It's not good. I think that does some kind of damage. And I'm paying for it today, so I'm back to Rust Taco 1.0. I have my glasses on. But I was kind of excited for today. I was going to shoot a video. And I think I still will continue to shoot it, but I just don't know how hard it is. I had this thought, and it was like a slow day in San Diego. What would that be like if I just shot everything in slow motion? And I don't know, it's what I want to do, but it's going to require some effort. The other thing is, like I said, right now it's right now it's 12 o'clock, which feels like 1 o'clock. So I'm completely thrown off. And I've reached that point where you're hungry, but you don't know if you want to go through the effort of actually getting food and doing all that. So I'm at this point where, do I even eat? I do that a lot. There's a lot of times I just don't eat because I don't think it's just pure laziness. It's just there's a lot involved. It's not just me. I gotta get Jared ready and go out somewhere, and then I gotta make decisions. Like, am I gonna go somewhere that's just drive through, or is it somewhere that we gotta get down? And then if it's somewhere that we gotta get down, I gotta unload him, undo his straps, and it just becomes a little more effort. And then at that point, you're like, damn, did I really want this? But of course, tacos, right? But if I go get tacos, I feel like I should go somewhere different that I haven't taken you before. And again, this is one of those things where it's like, am I just going to film for me and do what I want to do? Or am I filming for the sake of others? And I think if it was for me, I probably wouldn't even film at all. But I do want to keep on filming because, like I said, trying to keep this momentum. If I stop, I know how I am. I know that one day will become weeks and months. So, I'm going to try shooting some stuff. Maybe I'll shoot some stuff around here to kind of get things started. But I want to shoot this slow motion video. I just think it'll be super cool. And right now, there's this little plant that I put the camera by, and I can see all the bees getting the pollen. And it's like, that'd be cool to shoot. They're putting in work. Maybe I could do the same.